Think mini AVRs can't handle Dolby Atmos or next-gen gaming. Think again. In 2025, these compact beasts deliver 4K per 120 Hz, VRR, and full 3D audio, all without breaking your setup or your wallet. If you're building a killer gaming or home theater rig in a tight space, this list is your game changer. Step 1. Understand the 5.1.4 layout. What does 5.1.4 mean? 5 equals front left, center, front right plus 2 surround speakers. 1 is equal to 1 subwoofer. 4 is equal to 4 overhead or height speakers for Atmos. In a small room, the key is balance and direction. You don't need big speakers, you need smart speaker placement. Step 2. Choose the right AVR with Dolby Atmos and HDMI 2.1. Look for a 7.2 or 9.2 channel AVR that supports 5.1.4 Atmos decoding and HDMI 2.1 pass-through. 4K per 120 Hz gaming or Dolby Vision. Top 2025 AVR picks. Onkyo TX RZ50, Dirac Live Plus HDMI 2.1. Denon AVR, X2800H. Yamaha RX, A4A. All of these support true 5.1.4 decoding, room correction, and eARC for audio return. Step 3. Pick compact, high-performance speakers. For small rooms, avoid large floor standers. Go for compact bookshelf or satellite speakers with a focused dispersion. Recommended speaker sets. KFQ150/Q350 for fronts. Polk Reserve Series for surround and height. SVS Prime Elevation or Yell AC Debut for Atmos. Subwoofer, SVS SB, 1000 Pro or Monoprice Monolith 10-inch. Mounting matters. Bookshelf speakers should be at ear height, surrounds slightly behind the listening position, and Atmos height speakers either mounted on ceiling or using up-firing modules. Step 4. Atmos height speaker placement. You have 2 options. In-ceiling or mounted speakers, best performance, but may require drilling. Up-firing Atmos modules, easier to install, bounce sound off ceiling. For small rooms with flat ceilings under 10 feet, up-firing modules work surprisingly well. Place them on top of your front and rear speakers, angled upward. Important. Always use 4 height speakers, not just 2, to experience real 3D movement in Atmos. Step 5. Cable management and power setup. In tight rooms, cable clutter kills immersion. Use flat speaker wire with adhesive backing. Wireless subwoofer if possible. Label every cable by channel. Use a power conditioner or surge protector to avoid brownouts and protect your AVR Plus speakers. Step 6. Room calibration and tuning. Use your AVR's room correction tool. Dirac Live Onkyo/Arkham, most accurate. Odyssey XT32, Denon/Marantz, great balance. YPAO Yamaha, reliable and simple. Run mic calibration at ear height in multiple seating positions. Then manually adjust crossover settings. Fronts, 60 to 80 Hz. Surrounds, 80 to 100 Hz. Atmos, 100 to 120 Hz. Fine-tune levels to ensure no speaker dominates. Sub should blend, not boom. Step 7. Source devices and content setup. For true Atmos, your content and source must support it. Use Apple TV 4K, NVIDIA Shield Pro, or Xbox Series X. Netflix, Disney Plus, or Blu-rays with Dolby Atmos track. PS5 or Xbox with Atmos-enabled games. Set HDMI output to bitstream, and ensure Atmos is enabled in both the source and the AVR. Bonus tips for small rooms. Use acoustic panels or soft furnishings to reduce reflections. Add rugs and curtains for better absorption. Avoid glass or reflective surfaces near speakers. Sit in the middle of the room for optimal sweet spot. Final thoughts. Compact room, cinematic sound. Building a Dolby Atmos 5.1.4 system in a small room isn't just possible. It's game-changing when done right. You'll unlock cinema-level immersion, directional precision, and explosive audio that no soundbar can match. And the best part, you don't need a giant room or a Hollywood budget to experience it. Coming next, we'll break down the best compact Dolby Atmos speaker packages for under $1,000. So stay tuned and subscribe if you're serious about leveling up your audio game.